Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen, and today I'm sharing with you guys some really fun and easy ideas that you can use with dollar store gift bags. So let's get into the video. The first idea, I'm using these bags right here. They were 2 for $1 in these cute little signs from Dollar Tree. I really liked the edges, so I didn't have to do any sort of painting, and they pulled apart pretty easy because they were just nailed together. So right now I am just going to be cutting the bags, and I do this for every single one. So I didn't think I had to show this, but I'm going to be using these for backgrounds. I really liked this one. I thought it was just really like a modern type bag, but I also think these are really great and a different idea instead of just buying scrapbook paper. I know that the scrapbook paper at Hobby Lobby has gone up, so you can get some really large bags, and pretty much they're double-sided, so you have extra baggage or extra scrapbook paper, extra bags for a background for signs. So I'm just going to be trimming this down, and then I'm just going to be putting it back together. The sign was back together. I had this really cute ornament from Dollar General, and I decided just to cut off the little hanging piece and just glue it right to the center of this sign. And that is it for this one. I'm going to be using another one of these signs in this tree gift bag, and this was the 2-pack. And then I'm just going to be doing something very similar to this one and using a Dollar General ornament once again and gluing this on. Dollar General has amazing ornaments. They always do. They did last year. I think I actually used this same ornament last year, but they have them again. And this one I had to hold down for quite a while because of just the way and the texture it was. But I love the way this turned out. I love this gift bag so much. This next gift bag idea, I'll be using this pack of 2. This was also from Dollar Tree, and this cute little ornament was also from Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to be using the little holly berry signs. I'm going to be tearing this ornament apart, and it was pretty easy to do. I just tore the little belt off. I did end up saving that just in case I wanted to use it, and then just tore this like mesh or burlap off, traced around the gift bag, and glued it. And for all these, I just used a good old glue stick. Once the gift bag was on there, I just put everything back together, and I put this galvanized piece back on and used a pen just because it is so hot. And then I just used another Dollar General ornament and stuck it right to the center, and that was all I did for this. This is going to look super cute on the tree once I get it up. And it's November now, so the tree is going up very soon. Next one is this super cute gift bag. This was from Dollar General, and I did not realize it was $2.50, but it is so pretty, so I did not mind that one bit. I'm using a Dollar Tree sign and then cutting this down to size, gluing it on the back side of the little sign, and I just really love this shape of sign. I picked up a couple of these because I wanted to use them specifically for ideas like this, and I'm using the cardboard and using my glue stick and putting the gift bag right on here. And then the next thing I did was use some ornaments from Dollar Tree, and I love these ornaments. I was finally able to find some of these tree ornaments to use, and that was super exciting. I've been trying to find them for the last couple years, but I love these. I love how they actually look like sticks or pieces from a tree. I think they are super cute. I just used 2 packs. I used 3 of them. They come in a 2-pack, and I'm just going to be gluing them right to the center of the sign. I'm going to be using this decor bead piece. This was from Dollar Tree in the fall time, and I did cut this down. I'm going to be using this in another DIY for this video as well, but I really like this as like a hanging piece, and you don't have to strand beads. It already came as is. I know they have some of these at Walmart right now. I know they're not only $1, but these would be really cool to pick them up from Walmart as well, and they come in different colors. And but anyways, I love the way this one turned out. I love how just modern, I love how neutral it is. I just really love this piece. This one was from Dollar General as well. I love these gift bags, especially when you get 2 of them, because it's almost like you get 4 pieces, because like I said, you can use the front and the back. But I'm going to use this Merry Christmas along with this Shadow Box House from Dollar Tree. And I've used these many times. You can tear them apart pretty easily. And if there is paper stuck to the edges, you can just take a sanding block and sand it down. I'm just tracing this. And then right now I'm just pulling off like the little handle for the gift bag, and this was really easy to do, but I did not want the bumpy area, so that's why I did what I did. And then I'm just adding this I want to say scrapbook piece, because these just remind me of scrapbook paper, but I'm adding the gift bag to this. And then I decided to take it up one little notch and add some black around the edges, just because I thought it would match the gift bag so much better than this would. And once everything was dry, I just took my glue gun and glued the back together. And that is all I did. And then towards the end, you're going to see I just decided to add a little Christmas tree to the side. I think this turned out adorable. One is so easy. I'm just using this gift bag that came in the 2-pack along with one of these signs with like the little wood bead hanger that this came from Dollar Tree. I just put this together and this looks like that it was store-bought. It looks so good together. So for this next one, I'm using this large gift bag. This is from Dollar Tree. $1 for this large gift bag, and I'm using one of these wood hanging signs from Dollar Tree. This was in the Crafter Square. I have not seen them since I picked up a few of these, so keep your eyes open. Maybe they will come back. Maybe it was just like a one-time shot, who knows. But I just traced around my gift bag, cut this out. I ended up adding some nautical rope around the edges and the rest of that wood bead decor from Dollar Tree. For some reason, I did not have any footage of that, but you totally get what I did. Added nautical rope around the edges, put a little wood bead hanger here, and that is what I did for this one. And I am in love with this one. Gift bags were so cute. I love, like I said, the 2 for $1 ones. These ones were from Dollar General as well. And I'm using one of these little houses with the little shelf. And I just put this gift bag on here. Oh my gosh, what? I was going to say scrapbook paper again. And I'm just trimming the edges around. You're going to see the top piece. It didn't cover the whole entire house, which is 100% okay, because I'm just going to be adding some embellishments and some greenery and a bunch of little pieces to this. I've had these since last year, so I don't know if they were from Walmart or Dollar Tree or where they were from, but I know Walmart, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, they all end up having some sort of greenery picks. And then I'm just adding some red around here and just a bunch of extra pieces that I had left over from Christmas last year. For this last one, it's very similar to the other ones. I'm just using this gift bag with the snowflakes and another one of these little frames from Dollar Tree. Keep that same energy. And I love the little wood bead hangers. I think they are so cute. Just taking some glue and adding the snowflake gift bag to the background. This was all put together, I realized that the snowflake was not exactly where I wanted, so I did flip it around a couple times. And then I'm just using this ornament from Dollar General. So this is like a whole dollar store video for sure. I did see that there was a pine cone missing from this one, so you're going to see that I just grabbed these decorative fillers. This was from Dollar Tree, but I actually found them during the summertime. It was really random, and I just added a tiny little pine cone to that hot glue spot right there because I know it was for sure missing something. But you guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed these gift bag ideas. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, consider sticking around and subscribing. And you guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye!